Today, I'll show you how to set up amenity spaces in the ButterflyMX OS. To begin, log into your ButterflyMX admin account. Just head over to ButterflyMX.com and click on Login at the top right corner. Then click User Login. This will take you to the ButterflyMX OS login page. Once you've entered your email and password and clicked Sign In, you'll be directed to the live building page. From there, select the Amenities tab on the left-hand side. Now click Add Amenity and begin adding your amenities details, like name, description, images, and important details of the space, like rules and policies, the door associated with the space, when the amenity is reservable, and a reservation fee. Finally, if you'd like to review reservation requests before they're approved, turn the Require Approval feature on. Once you're done, click Save. And that's it. You've successfully set up an amenity at your building. Follow these instructions for any other amenities you'd like to add, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more information on how ButterflyMX simplifies access.